In a cheerful classroom, Mia, Leo, and Ben are listening to their teacher, Miss Davis.
Class, Miss Davis says with a big smile, this is our new classroom plant. Its name is Greenie. Wow, the children say. Greenie has big, shiny leaves and looks very happy.
Miss Davis says, we need to take care of Greenie. It needs water and sun.
We can do it, says Mia. Leo and Ben nod their heads in agreement. Yes, we can.
Good, says Miss Davis. You three will take Greenie home for the weekend. You must take good care of it.
We promise, they all say together.
The school bell rings. They work as a team to carry Greenie home. Greenie needs sun, says Leo. They put the plant in a sunny spot in the garden.
Let's play now, says Ben. They have so much fun, they forget all about Greenie.
On Monday morning, Mia remembers. Oh no, Greenie, she says. They look at the plant. Greenie looks very sad. Its leaves are droopy and brown.
The plant is sad, says Leo.
It looks thirsty, adds Ben.
Mia feels very bad. We forgot to water it. We promised we would take care of it.
We must fix our mistake, says Mia. We need to work together.
First, Ben gets a small watering can and gently pours water into the pot.
Next, Leo moves Greenie to a spot with a little shade, out of the hot sun. Then, Mia carefully takes off the old brown leaves to help Greenie grow. Slowly, Greenie starts to look better. Our teamwork is working, says Ben with a smile. They take Greenie back to school, a little scared to show Miss Davis. Miss Davis, we are very sorry. We forgot to water Greenie.
What did you do when you remembered? Miss Davis asks kindly.
We worked together, says Leo. They explain how they each helped the plant.
Miss Davis smiles. I am very proud of you. You made a mistake, but you worked as a team to fix it. Mia, Leo, and Ben smile. Greenie, in its yellow pot, looks much happier.
Plant. The classroom has a new plant. Water. The plant needs water. The plant was sad because it was thirsty.
Team. Mia, Leo, and Ben are a good team. Responsibility. Taking care of the plant is a big responsibility.
Happy. The plant is happy now.
You did a fantastic job. Remember to subscribe for more stories. See you next time. Goodbye.